Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to look at question 8. It says, the population of a community in millions can be approximated by P of t equals 18.9 e to the t times the natural log of 1.038, where t is years after 2005. What is the estimated population for the year 2025? So notice that we just want to know what's the population. And here, because we are dealing with the years 2025, that means that t is the number of years after 2005. So it's 2025 minus 2005, which is 20. In other words, t is just 20 in this situation. So we want to know what is p of 20. So if we come over here, type this in, we get 18.9 e to the 20 times the natural log of 1.038. And there we go. So let's go type all this in. So this is 18.9 second ln e to the 20 and then ln of 1.038. And there we go. Let's just round to the nearest decimal here. So this would be 38.8. No, 39.8, sorry. Good. Now, what about the units? Well, we're just talking about population here, and the population's units is in millions. So that's 39.8 million people. And there you go. That's A. B is asking, what is the instantaneous rate of change of the population in 2025? Again, T is still 20. But this time we want the instantaneous rate of change. In other words, we want the rate of change, which means we need to find the derivative. So we want to find P prime of T here. Now, notice that this is just an exponential here. So we're just going to rewrite it as 18.9 e to the t times the natural log of 1.038, and then multiply by the derivative of the exponent. So t times anything, and this is just a constant here, so t times the constant is, its derivative is just that constant. So I need to multiply by the natural log of 1.038. I'm not a big fan of this. I don't think this is right. I'll come back to that later. But we want to find P prime of 20 here. 1 second. Okay, yeah, that's right. So let's go type it all in. 18.9 e to the 20 times the natural log of 1.038 times the natural log of 1.038. Awesome. Now, notice that we actually have everything in here except for the natural log of 1.038 time at the end. So if I just do second enter, notice that then I can just say times the natural log of 1.038 and enter. And there you go. So 1.486, blah, blah, blah. So it's going to be about 1.5 million. So let's go back over here. Now the number was 1.5, but the units, the population is in million people. So it'd be million people per, and T is in years, so it'd be per year. So it means that this is increasing by 1.5 million people per year. And that's the interpretation, basically. So it says that the population will increase by about 1.5 million people from the year what year are we talking about? 2025. from the year 2025 to the year 2026. That's really what that's saying. Alrighty. Well, there you go. And that is the last video in this series for Review 2. Have fun.